Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone, and yet another unboxing video from Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma. Welcome you to this new video, and today I have the latest Mixcder E10 headsets with us, and I'm going to unbox this device and give you the first impression and quick review about this headphones, how it performs and how the noise cancellation is going to work on this headphone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is how the retail box of Mixcder E10 looks like, and it says that active noise cancellation wireless headphones. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this device. So here on the box you have the specification about the headphones. On the top you can see that it is equipped by Qualcomm's aptX low latency, and here you have the specification. It comes with a 40 mm of drivers, which gives you a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. On the battery part, it comes with a built-in 500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, and the company claims that it is capable of delivering playtime of 30 hours without ANC, and with ANC it gives you 24 hours of battery life in single charge. So that's all about the specification of this headphones. Let's open the device and see how it performs. So here you see you have a separate carrying bag with it, and while unzipping it you can see that the thing what you're going to get first is the unit itself, and it looks very premium and the packaging is really good. It is hard case, so you can carry it around anywhere according to your requirement. So let's take it out and let's keep it aside for a while. And apart from that, in the box you have the aux cable, a USB charger, a warranty card, and an audio receiver which you can use it while playing games on your PC. Apart from that, you also have a user manual which will help you in knowing more about the device. So let's pack all these things and focus on the device. So while talking about the design of the headphones, I must say that it looks very premium in the hand, and it gives you a very premium finish. You have a metal over here, the finish is metal, and it gives you a more premium look along with durability. Apart from that, the headphones are 180-degree, both the sides rotatable. You can rotate the headphones both the sides, and you have a ANC button over here, a 3.5 mm audio jack, volume rocker keys, and a power button. Apart from that, the headphones quality is very premium, and the cushions used on the headbands are really very comfortable, and inside the ear pads you also have the right left indications. So let's try this headphones and see how it performs. So now I'm going to connect this device with my iPhone, and first you have to turn on the device, and you can see a blue indication going on, and now you have to head to the setting menu, and there you have to search for the device. And here you can see Mixcder E10. The moment you tap on the device, it will get connected, and now I'm connected with the smartphone. So let's play it and see how it performs. So as you have seen how easily I have connected the headphones with my smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's put it on my ear and see how it performs. Oh, nice. The fit on my ear is really comfortable and it's not hurting me from anywhere, and I must say that the company have really worked on the comfortability of this headphones, because the hairband up there, it's also very comfortable. Let's play some songs and see how it's gonna perform. And moreover, on top of that, the noise cancellation is working really very perfectly, because right now in this room the AC is very loud and I am unable to hear that, which is really very impressive for me. So let's test this device. Right now I'm using these headphones with ANC on this. As you can see, ANC is on, and the bass booster is really very impressive. I felt like I'm attending a concert, but the thing is that I'm not, and the performance of these headphones are really very good. Let's turn this off and see what difference we are going to get it. So it's off right now. Boom. The headphones are really very good. I am very much impressed with these headphones because even though I have turned off the ANC switch, but the bass quality is really very good. I haven't seen any distortion in the drivers, and even though I am listening it at the max volume, I haven't feel any distortion in the music itself. And moreover, when I'm playing it in full volume, you can see the noise is coming out right now, but when I'm putting it inside, it's not coming out, which is very impressive for me. So quality wise, I'm very much impressed with these headphones. Design wise, I'm very much impressed with these headphones, and as well as the most important thing, performance of these headphones are really hats off. And I must say, this is a worth for money headphone. So if you're planning to get something in the same range, then this can be the first priority I must recommend you people. But still, I have to use it for a while and get back to you with a comprehensive review. However, the first impression for this headphones were really very impressive for me. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also press that bell icon so that you won't miss any update from Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma signing off.